Okay, in this video, we're going to see very quickly how you can use a simple scraping tool to scrape data to get leads for your business. So in this example, I'm using a tool called Simple Scraper. It is actually very easy to use. And some of the best ways to use this tool is by going to a directory where there will be a lot of information about different businesses and using that directory to get the information that you need. Okay, so I am on this website. I'm on the yellowpages.com website. I searched for electrical hardware businesses in Los Angeles. Now I have so many businesses and I want to get all of their information. How can I do that quickly? Okay, so Simple Scraper is a Google Chrome plugin. So I have installed the Google Chrome plugin, and over here you can see that the logo is there. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to say scrape this website, and then this toolbar comes up on top, which allows me to scrape the website. Now in order to scrape the website, first I have to start by clicking on add a property, and I'm going to start by scraping the titles. So I'm going to scrape the titles. Now you see that it's gone green, so all the titles have become green. I'm going to name that title, the property, company name. Okay, I want the company name and I want the company phone number. So I'm going to do the phone number next. I'm going to call this phone number. Very simple. It's done. Okay. So I'm taking the company name, I'm taking the company phone number. Then I can give this list to my salespeople who can call them up and can be like, hey, do you guys want some electrical hardware? Now, the thing is that any directory, most directories are on multiple pages. You can see page one, page two, page three, page four. So you need to find a way to make sure that your scraping tool is going to the next page, taking all the information from the next page, and then going to the next page after that and doing that all over again. So what I'm going to do is over here on top, you can see that there's this thing called select next page element. So basically I click on this, I go to the next page element and I select that. So you can see that now this select next element has gone green. So that means that I've done it correctly. There's this other option over here, toggle if infinite scroll page. So you guys must have seen that there are certain directories which are infinite scroll, like Reddit, like Facebook, like Instagram, like some other websites. But we don't have that here, so we're not going to use that. Now I can test one page by clicking on view results. So over here, you can see that this is the first page. In fact, yeah, so this is the first page. It has 37 different results and it has the company name. It has the link to that page and it has their phone number. Now, if I want to actually get it for all 10 pages, I have to save this as a recipe. So just click here to save as a recipe. And over there, it's going to ask you how many pages you want to save for. So you can say 5 pages, 10 pages, how many ever you want. So I did that. I saved it as a recipe and then I ran the recipe. And so you can see over here that it pulled 10 pages. It extracted 307 rows and you can see all this information. So for around 300 businesses, I have gotten their phone number, I've gotten their store name, and I've gotten the link over there. So I can always go back and I can check out more information about them by going to their store page. Now you don't have to do this just for Yellow Pages. You can do this for many other websites as well. So there are a lot of recipes that are already stored. So you can see the Google search results extractor. So you can do a search result. You can see who the top 10 results are, maybe top 100 results are for a certain keyword. So then you can do research that way about your competitors. Instagram, product hunt. What will be more useful for getting leads is going to be over here on LinkedIn. So you can use LinkedIn as well along with Simple Scraper to get more leads from there. I think I'll do another video on how to use the LinkedIn profile scraper and all of that to get more leads. But you can see over here that Simple Scraper is very cheap and it's not that expensive. Over here, I get 100 credits free a month, and each page gives me uses 2 credits. So yeah, you can get a decent amount of information using Simple Scraper each month, and that's how you can get more leads into your business to get your salespeople working harder to get them doing more.